9. Okay, here we will transfer the y term to LHS side. So 2y plus y to minus y becomes plus y. 26 upon 3 remains in LHS, and plus 5 by 3 of LHS side to will transfer the plus 5 by 3 to RHS. So minus 5 upon 3. 2y plus y is 3y. 26 minus 5, here common denominator, so no need to take the LCM, is directly get the LCM, which is 3. So 26 minus 5 is 21. We can cancel 21 by 3 7 times. 7. So 3y equals 7, or y equals 7 upon 3. We transferred 3 to RHS. So value of y is 7 upon 3. Now we'll check. So put y equal 7 upon 3 in the equation. So first we'll put it into LHS, then we'll put it into RHS. So our LHS side is 2y plus 5 upon 3, and our RHS is 26 upon 3 minus y. Okay. Now put the value of y, which is 7 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. 2 into 7, 14 upon 3, because we can't cancel 2 and either the 2 or the 7 by 3. So 2 into 7, 14, 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Here the same common denominator, so LCM is 3, 14 plus 5 is 19. So after solving the LHS side, we get 19 upon 3. Now we will solve it for RHS side. 26 upon 3, and value of y is 7 upon 3, so minus 7 upon 3. Here also the common denominator, so 3 is the LCM, and 26 minus 7, and 26 minus 7 is 19. 19 upon 3. So now LHS and RHS both sides are equal for value of y, which is 7 upon 3. Thus for y equals 7 upon 3, LHS equal RHS. Now the last question, question number 10 of exercise 2.3. Question number 10, 3m equal 5m minus 8 upon 5. So here only we transfer 5m, means m term, to the LHS side. Okay, there is no constant term in RHS sides, so there is no transformation from RHS to LHS. So transfer 5m to LHS. So positive 5m becomes minus 5m. It remains minus 8 upon 5. 3m minus 5m. Plus minus minus. So 5 minus 3, 2. But sign of bigger number, which is minus. So minus 2m equal minus 8 upon 5. Let's see. Observe that here in LHS and RHS, both there are only one terms. Only one term. Here in LHS only 2m, and here in RHS 8 upon 5, and both are negative. In this case we can cancel the minus by minus. Okay, I repeat again, if there is only one term in LHS and in RHS and both having the negative sign, so we can cancel them. In this case, if there is two terms, like for example minus 8 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5, so we can't cancel this minus by minus. If only there is only one term or minus is in the common with bracket, then we can cancel minus by minus. Now transfer 2 to RHS. So 2 is in the product form, so it becomes in denominator, means divide, but in denominator there is already a term, already a number 5. So 2 का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन 5 into 2. तो 2 से 8 हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो 5 के साथ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में, दैट्स वाई वी कैन कैंसिल 8 by 2 4 times. So value of m is 4 upon 5, which is the simplest form of this fraction. So now we have to check for m equal 4 upon 5. Put m equal 4 upon 5 in the equation. So first in LHS than in RHS. So LHS side is 3m. LHS side is 3m and RHS is 5m minus 8 upon 5. So 5m minus 8 upon 5. 3m. And value of m is 4 upon 5. So 3 into 4, 12. 12 upon 5. 5 and value of m is 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. We can cancel 5 by 5, but here I am not cancelling them by because after that we have to take the LCM. So here तो common denominator 5 and 5 क्योंकि 5 5 ऑलरेडी है इसके लिए मैं कैंसिल नहीं कर रही हूँ. करने के बाद फिर हमको LCM लेना पड़ेगा, फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई एक स्टेप और बढ़ जाएगा उससे. अच्छा, विल टेक द LCM 5. 5 into 4 20. 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 upon 5. Here, after solving LHS and RHS both, we get 12 upon 5. It means thus for m equal 4 upon 5, LHS is equals to RHS. That's it. Okay. Here we completed the exercise 2.3. In next video, we'll start the exercise 2.4.